What's up, Craft Kids?
Happy New Year 2026! So we wanted to hop on and wish everyone a Happy New Year and just kind of explain why we've been missing for way longer than we intended. We hoped to take a few days off from shooting videos for Christmas, and we were lucky enough that we did get to have a couple of days, Christmas Eve and Christmas. We had some fun, but then shortly thereafter, things started to get a little bit rocky for our family. So we had a bug come through our family. So after getting Christmas in, luckily, we had the flu come through our house and wiped out nearly all of us. It was really hard on everyone in the family, right down to the dog. It was tough. Everyone's patterns were messed up. People were sleeping all the time and just trying to recover from this awful sickness that was going through. So we are at the tail end of our what we would consider Christmas break, and we are recovering slowly. But I feel so bad for these kids. They have to go back to school tomorrow, and we really haven't gotten to much of anything that we really wanted to do over this vacation. So again, we did get Christmas Eve and we did get Christmas Day in. Just barely. But then everything else from there was really hard. We tried staying up for the ball drop on New Year's Eve, and that we did get up, but it was short-lived. Not, there wasn't a whole lot of energy to go around, so to speak. But we are slowly but surely getting through it, and we are happy to be looking forward to getting back into doing some videos for you guys. So sorry we've been gone for so long, much longer than intended, but we're going to be back at it. And Maddie has some things that we're excited about coming up.
So some exciting things coming up is our annual bloopers video. It was supposed to be at the end of 2025, the last video, but we had the flu come through our house, so it's a little late, but we have a bloopers video coming out by tomorrow. So we also have a weekly challenge coming up. It's going to be kind of winter themed, kind of random, but kind of fun. So we're putting a cactus. We have a cactus, and it's going to be on skis, and we're going to try to draw that. So that's the weekly challenge. We're announcing it now, and Thursday the 8th, I think it's the 8th.
Yeah, Thursday the 8th.
Will be when we post it on the community tab, and that's where you can post yours too. So
that's the day our video will be out. Do the regular thing if you've been following that challenge right along. It's super fun. Please tell everyone that's interested in art about it, because we really think it's gonna eventually make some waves, and it can be a really, really cool way for you guys to interact with us and get your drawings on our videos and spotlighted, and definitely on our page. So it was pretty cool. We were sitting here trying to brainstorm what it could be for this week, and I just said, Landon, give me something living, and he said cactus, and then Maddie's like, well, I want to keep it winter themed, so the first thing that comes to mind is skis. So it was kind of born right just 2 minutes ago. Cactus and skis, combine them, do the best you can. I think it's going to be a really, really fun challenge. So with that being said, sorry that things haven't been how we would have liked them to be, with our annual video of bloopers being the last one of the year, like Maddie already covered. It's for reasons out of our control, really. We weren't able to make that happen, but we will get it out to you by tomorrow. So until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.